So it's no surprise that I love sour cocktails. And today we're gonna make 3 of them with the help of 2 of our friends.
So first we're gonna send it up to Boston. What do you have for us, Louie?
Thanks, Carl. So pumped to get to make another video with you guys, especially one on sours, where I get to talk about one of my favorite spirits and favorite variations on a classic sour cocktail. I'm gonna be making for you guys a Passionfruit Pisco Sour. Pisco Sour has so many variations, but the Passionfruit Pisco Sour is one that's super popular in Peru. So let's get to it. We're gonna grab our shaker. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna do an ounce of passionfruit syrup. We are going to do just a 1/2 ounce of lime just to add a little bit of acidity. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Acholado Pisco. I'm using Caravedo. And then last but not least, an egg white. We are going to break it into our large tin just in case we mess up. And be sure to just get the egg white. We don't want any of the yolk in there. And then we're going to combine both of our tins. And then first we're gonna give it a nice dry shake, no ice. We're gonna froth up that egg, get all of those ingredients incorporated, and give it a nice volume, and then we're gonna add ice and do it all over again. And now let's pop that open, add some ice, and then do it all over again. Whew! All right, now let's pop that open and double strain into our chilled coupe. That looks and smells lovely. And then last but not least, we're gonna just do a couple of drops of bitters over the top to decorate it. And there you have a Passionfruit Pisco Sour. All right, let's see what you got, Gabe.
Oh, hi there, folks. My name is Gabriel Morales. I'm from Liquid Memoir, and today we're gonna make a Pink Lady. It's actually a sour that is mostly recognized for the fall because it has Applejack in it, but I think this is a very lovely sour that is not very widely recognized. So this is an egg white cocktail as it is a sour. So I'm gonna crack an egg, just use the whites. But for now, we're gonna leave that aside and pour our ingredients. It was actually created for a Broadway show or Broadway play. That's pretty much all I know about that. And I'm using actually the Death & Co recipe, which adds a little bit of honey syrup, which is 3/4 ounce or 22.5 of both honey syrup and lemon juice. Then we're gonna add some grenadine. I actually make my own grenadine. I think it tastes a whole lot better. So we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of that. This is gonna give a nice pink hue color. I'm gonna be using this Applejack. This is Barking Irons. This comes from the New York State, made with 3 types of different apples, 100% apples grown in New York. 100 proof, you can definitely smell that. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of that. And as for our spirit, I'm just using beefeater. Beefeater is what I usually use in cocktails. I like Plymouth as well. There are a bunch of other gins that are great. But right now, this is the only gin that I have. Actually, I have another one, but this is what I'm gonna use. 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of that. Once you got all your ingredients ready, we're gonna do a dry shake, which means shaking it without ice. Just gonna do a quick dry shake, just about 5 seconds. You wanna emulsify the egg a little bit, add ice to your shaker. Also, it's perfect timing to grab your chilled cocktail glass. I'm using this beautiful coupe. Seal very well your shaker and give it a good hard shake for about 15-20 seconds. We're gonna double strain this cocktail so you don't get the ice and bits pieces. Yeah, like, look at that color. That color is really nice. And as for the garnish, we're gonna garnish it with a Luxardo cherry. Pink Lady. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Very refreshing, pretty complex. You definitely get the booze, but the grenadine adds a very nice, round, complex flavor to it. Thank you so much, Alchemix Bar, for having me over. Looking forward for the next one. Cheers.
Thanks for that one, Gabe. That sounds delicious.
Yeah, they both sound excellent. I can't wait to try them. If you're gonna try theirs, let us know in the comments. I think they both sound excellent. Now for ours, we are doing a Verde sour. It is something I kind of came up with a couple months ago because I wanted to experiment more with the Verde because we did an episode on that a couple months back.
The Ancho Reyes line.
The Ancho Reyes, yep. And this I thought would go great. So I decided to use Mezcal instead of just tequila because I wanted that smokiness to kind of come through. But then also agave nectar because again, using stuff with agave in it, you might as well enhance it with the right syrup. And lemon juice. I used a little bit more than normal lemon juice in this one. That kind of helped balance the Verde a little bit more, I think. And with the smokiness from the Mezcal. And a little bit of shockers, I'm not going to use an egg white in this. I don't think this drink really needs it. I know. What are we doing with our lives here at Alchemix Bar? But I believe I tried it with an egg white and it was just okay. Like it didn't do anything. It didn't make this dramatic increase in the cocktail. So
yeah, without having tried it, I think maybe adding an egg white would make it a little bit more subtle. It would tune down the flavors of the Verde Ancho Reyes and of the Mezcal, and I don't think you want that in something like this.
Right, exactly. You're exactly right. I did tame it down, and this is I want a very bold and flavorful cocktail for sure. Should we give it a try?
I'm so excited.
Dink. The nose on it is straight up Verde and Mezcal.
Poblano pepper, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's made out of? Yep.
100%. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's so good.
That almost makes the roasty flavor of the pepper.
Mm-hmm.
The Mezcal just kind of like, there you go, buddy.
Yeah.
Gives it a little bit of a nudge.
And that's why I enhanced the lemon juice, too, to kind of help brighten it all up.
Yeah. Because otherwise it would be very vegetable-y.
Right, exactly.
It would be very much like a fajita.
Yeah. And the agave is just there just to kind of help give it a little bit of sweetness to balance it out a little bit.
Right, because the Ancho Reyes is pretty sweet by itself.
Hold on. I got a call. Sorry. We'll edit this out. Hello? You need help making a margarita recipe? Yeah, I have experience doing the Verde. Okay. All right. We'll be right there. Ready? We're going to go on a road trip.
Oh, okay.
All right.
No, I can't take that.
Here, we'll just slam it. Clink. Hey, gotta get up. Cheers, guys.
Hey, babe, have you ever heard that joke?
What joke?
There are only 2 seasons in the U.S.
What are those?